Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna work on this beautiful E36 convertible. Okay, we're gonna slam it, well, lower it on some Maxpeedingrods coilovers. We have over here the T6 coilovers. I was gonna get the T7s, but the person I was talking to from Maxpeedingrods didn't recommend the T7s if I'm gonna go super low. So they said to go ahead and get the T6s because these get lower than the T7s. The T7s are track ones, so what do you expect? Anyways, I'm gonna unwrap this and I'm gonna show you how these look. These are the fronts, the rears, and here's the springs for the rear with the little collar adjustment for the rear for the preload. And yeah, we're gonna go and slap them on this hunk of junk. So I'm gonna raise it up and start doing everything. So we got one of the front struts out. Here's the stock one. Obviously, this is the aftermarket one, the Maxpeedingrods one. I maxed out the low because it's not that big of a difference. As you can see, it's probably like 2 inches right there, or maybe 3. So I'm gonna put it in like that and see if it's too low. If it's too low, I'll just raise it up. Not a big deal. So I'm gonna go do that right now. All right. So the previous owner, I don't know if you're watching it right now, but my boy, why did you weld that nut that's supposed to be in there? Welded it completely shut.
Why welded that nut?
Whatever the freak. He freaking broke the freaking bolt in, and then he just welded it. And he welded all this right here too, as you can see. He welded this right here and this over here. So I'm gonna go buy another set of knuckles from some guy, and I'm gonna continue this tomorrow. So I already did the front. I didn't lower it all the way because, well, right now it's jacked up from the back, but we did the front already. I'm gonna lower it, like slam it all the way once I get my wheels. We're gonna be doing the rear right now. So I'll record whenever this is all done. All right, it's the next day. We did install the spring wrong because we put the collar on the bottom. I put it on the top already, but it was still the same height. So we just took this off. And we're gonna run it like that. Hopefully it matches the front. And this is already maxed out. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Take off this collar and see how low it gets. Might as well, since we're here already. I already have the car jacked up. We already cut the tip of the straight pipe, and we're gonna use this old exhaust that I had for I think 2 years. But yeah, we already cut the tip. I'm gonna cut a little bit more of it and snug it in there and start welding. All right, so this is how the car looks now. We took off the rear little coil sleeve thing in the back. It's a lot more tucked. I might just have to put it back on and just take off the little the locking spinny things. I forgot what they call the locking nuts, I guess. I don't know. But it's looking good. It's a little bit too low, I think, in the back. I might have to lower the front a little bit or raise this up just a tiny bit. But yeah, I'll record more in the daytime because it's getting a little bit too dark. And the exhaust is right there. Sounds a lot better than that straight pipe doo-doo shit, all right? Look at that. I'll do a couple flybys later on tomorrow. So for now, it's looking decent. I am on my way to go purchase some used tires. Yes, you heard me right. Used tires. The only reason why I'm doing this is because I have the budget of $2,500, and if I buy brand new tires, I'm gonna be about like $450, $500. So I'm trying to freaking budget everywhere I can. Okay, the guy said it has like 90% tread still, so I'm gonna go over there, purchase it for only $100, and we're gonna slap those tires on my new wheels as well that I bought, and I'll show you the wheels after I pick up the tires. All right, so we're here at my boy's job. We're gonna mount these tires, and these are the wheels I got. I got Style 66, the BMW wheels. Nothing crazy. I bought those for $400, and I bought these tires for $100, like I said. So right there, that's $500 wasted on wheels and tires setup right there. These bad boys are $205.50, and these are all squared, by the way. All 4 of them. I have all the front ones because the original ones, they come staggered. They come 17 by 8 in the front and 17 by 9 in the rear, but I got all square set up, so they're all 17 by 8. So we're gonna go mount this bad boys, and yeah, we ended up switching the radiator. The clutch fan blew up, so randomly, so we ended up doing this real quick. Let me just show you real quick. We ended up putting a electric fan and change the radiator, because after the clutch fan exploded, it blew up the freaking radiator and the holes down there got it replaced. He wired it up like this for now. It's whatever's in the fuse box, as long as it works. All right, so here's the wheels. All right, these are Style 66 wheels. Beautiful. This is the only one that's like in really good condition compared to the other ones, but I will repaint them later on. But these are the $100 tires on the bad boys right here. So I'm gonna go jack up the car and mount them. I also have an M3 bumper right there, a real one, and some M3 side skirts, also real, that I'm gonna install either in this video or in the other video, who knows, but we're gonna install these for sure now. I'm gonna clean these wheels because they're so dirty right now. Look at these shits. Only one of them is like clean as hell as this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean it real quick. All right, so I washed them. They look a lot better than what they used to look like. It's presentable at least now. I will repaint them later, but I'm gonna go put the rears on first and then put the fronts. I'm gonna put the rears on first just to see if it rubs. If it does rub, I can't run them yet. I have to roll the fenders, the quarter panels, then I can run them. So that's what I'm gonna test out first. So I'm gonna go do that right now. Update. The wheels look beautiful. My boys think otherwise, but is touching over here and on the bumper, so I'm gonna have to either get skinnier tires or more of a stretch, or just roll the quarter panel. So I'll do that first, then get back to installing this bad boy again. All right, so here's how the car sits for now. I ended up buying used tires again. These cost me $200. These are, I'm pretty sure they're 205/40. Yeah, it's 205/40 17. So that's how it sits. Look at that beautiful thing. Look at that. The rears need to get a little bit more lifted, just a little bit. The fronts just like that. I could go a little bit lower, but I want to make it up my driveway. I'm just gonna fix this side over here because it's a little bit higher. So yeah, I'm gonna install the M3 bumper that I got for $200 and the M3 side skirts that I have. It's in the backyard, but here's the M3 bumper that I got. It has an OEM fog light, but it's cracked. I need also a new bottom grill, which you could get on eBay. But this is a real, authentic M3 bumper. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, take off this bumper, and slap this bad boy on. To take off the bumper, all you gotta do is take off the trim, pry it up. You'll see some screws right here, like I think like 213s on this side, 213s on that side, and some Torx keys on the end of both. Then after that, the bumper comes off with this piece. Once you take off the bumper, take off this piece and put it on your M bumper. If you don't, it's gonna be sagging like that basically. So I'm gonna go do that and install this bad boy. All right, so we got everything aligned perfectly. All I have to do is put the trim back on, which I'm gonna do right now. The dude painted it like glossy black. I'm gonna leave it like this for now, but I'm gonna paint it matte black soon. And same thing with the freaking lip. He painted it like glossy black. I don't know why, but that's how it looks. It changes the whole, man, it looks so much more aggressive. This, I don't know what's going on with this. I don't know how to attach this, but I'm gonna leave it there for now because I still have to buy a new one anyways because it's dented right here. So I'm gonna put the trims and I'm gonna show you how it looks after. Look at this beautiful car now. That stock front bumper was so hideous, bro. My gosh, it changes the whole entire car. Hell yeah.
I thought I was gonna do something fancy. What? That course I can't do it. That's not my car to do a burnout on it.
All right, so it's been about a week since I had this bumper on. I was running it with zip ties like this because the clips broke. So I bought some on Amazon, and I'm gonna put the clips on. And I also bought, this. Where they at? I also bought some fog lights right here. I'm gonna install these too. I bought those for 20 bucks. They go for like $60 on eBay and Amazon. But I bought off of a guy. They were literally brand new for 20 bucks. So yeah, I'm gonna go put these clips on and then install those fog lights. All right, so everything is plugged in. Fog lights connected. We wired it up right here with the corner light or the hazard light, whatever you call it. We spliced into, hold on, let me show you with the light. We spliced into it right in there. If you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but you can see it. Spliced into that. Yes, there's a mess right here. Don't worry about that. I'm gonna get that all nice and clean and do all this good stuff. I have to mount this somewhere, but that's just for now. Turn it once. Turns on with the corner lights or the emergency lights, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna change these to yellow and then wrap it yellow as well. But they work. So let me go button that up and we should be good to go. Shit, I'm out of breath. Let me show you how the fog lights look. Ugh. Look at that beautiful thing. Ooh, shit. I will be getting those like white. Well, I want them yellow, so yeah. But look at that. Came out good. Came out beautiful. I wanted to show you guys before I end the video, so yeah. If you guys want to see more content on this piece of junk, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Run this shit, I'm lapping on, yeah, even on a snow day. Where I'm from, the block get high, yeah, even on a snow day. King of the hill, I'm so hang, so you know I got that propane.